Here's a pear tree. This is a pyramid pear. I can't remember the variety. I think it's Louis Bon of Jersey, but that's irrelevant for the point of view of this video. And I'm going to do videos of individual trees, because trees, like people, come in ones. Each is an individual, although of course they have many things in common. The first thing to do when you are pruning a tree is take a look at it, have a think about it, walk around it, as I'm doing now. What do you want to achieve from the tree? How has it performed in the past? Think about, going back to the very first pruning video I put up about 5 years ago. Think about the life cycle, the needs of the tree, how much new growth is there, how much fruit bud is there, how did it perform the last year. Okay, I've taken a look at this tree. I already did before, obviously, and I'm essentially happy with the shape. It's broadly a pyramid. It's a freestanding pyramid, and I want to keep it in balance. At the moment, there are too many fruit buds. Okay, too many fruit buds. There's some worn-out old fruit spurs, like this, for example. This is a worn-out old fruit spur system. Here's the fruit bud. That's a fruit spur, and this is a fruit spur system, and it's overcrowded. Snick. And that one can go as well. Taking a look. If in doubt, do too little rather than too much. What I want is to optimise the number of fruit buds in the space occupied by the tree. So little that system there is underneath. It's not getting so much light. That one's in the. No, I'm just curving the curves round. So you want the blade next to the wood. If you do it the other way around, obviously you're a few millimetres out. You want it flush. I'm going to take this one clean out as well. That's growing in the middle. That's a bit overcrowded. This is crossing. It's underneath. So is that. This is just too crowded here. So is that. I think I'm just going to leave. I'm going to let that one survive there. It's too crowded. That's too crowded. Be economical with your cuts. If you're going to need to remove a whole system, then take it all in one go. When I prune, I have my different tools with me. Got this here. Got this here if I need it. I move from one tool to another. Yeah, we've got these two branches are crossing here, so take one out. Take that one out. This is sort of underneath and it's sort of in the way. That's not great. Take that out. Yeah, a bit crowded there. It's a bit again. It's a bit crowded. What am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? It's a bit untidy. I think I'll take that out as well. It's probably done nearly enough. Again, here you see we've got 1, 2, 3 sort of systems. That one, take the middle one out, give the one on either side more space. Hold on, I'm going to take that one out as well. Yeah, leave this. Yeah, I like this camera because at this stage I don't know what the film's going to look like. leaves me much more free to act and think while I'm snicking away. You know, the one thing I'm not doing is going around and snipping off all the tips. It's effectively thinning out to allow some systems more space. I'm sort of removing some whole systems and leaving others completely untouched, if that makes sense. Okay, I hope this isn't too aggressive. If you take a look at the number of fruit buds that this tree is now carrying, allowing for the fairly considerable number that I've taken out. I mean, it's, you know, at random. So here, for example, it's a foot of branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In 1 foot, we've got 17 fruit buds. In theory, each one of those is capable of setting 4 pairs. You know, 60 pairs? I mean, come on. We only need a maximum of 5 or 6, absolute maximum of 5 or 6, probably 3 on this branch would be more realistic. So what we don't want is overcrowded fruit. So I think I've more or less finished that. If you want to skim back to the start of the video, you'll see that the tree is not radically altered. It's just had a number of the overcrowded, not quite finished here, it's just had a number of the overcrowded fruit spurs removed, and it maintains its essentially broadly symmetrical pyramidal shape. If this blossoms nicely and we get decent weather like what we didn't have in 2012, the year which is just ending, then there's enough bud there, enough fruit bud to set enough blossom to carry a crop which would be too heavy for the tree to actually bear. It's wind blowing now, I don't know how much wind noise we're going to have, sort of chat. But what I haven't done is alter the overall shape of the tree and the envelope. You can imagine the tree as an envelope or silhouette. I haven't actually changed that at all. Just one little small one there. You get a feel of what I'm trying to do. Somebody warned about the urge that resides in secateurs to go on snipping. Well, that's enough.